A Charcuterie Chalet will look amazing on your Christmas table, and we'll show you everything you need to make your own.
For the roof, cut the first loaf of bread diagonally in half, then hollow it out. Use the second loaf of bread to form the walls.
Cut door and window shapes into one of the long slices. Place them on a baking tray, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and bake for 5 minutes at 180 degrees.
Generously spread cream cheese on external facing walls and roof so they'll stick. Assemble and secure with toothpicks if needed.
Cut hand salami slices in half and place on the roof as tiles.
Place crostini sticks as woodwork.
Cover the side walls with Hans prosciutto slices and arrange Hans twiggy sticks as the door frame.
Use salami slices to form a walking path.
Then decorate with rosemary trees, mozzarella snowmen and salami and olive flowers.
And here you have it, a Charcuterie Chalet.
I think you mean Charcuterie Chalet.
Oh yeah. Merry Christmas from Hans.
It's actually Hans.